Text boxes can be helpful for segmenting information from your main document and for creating unique page layouts. What if you don't want the text boxes to print with your document, however? This quick tip demonstrates a couple of ways that you can suppress the printing of text boxes. Let's say that you're creating a form for people to fill out. You have some instructions for filling out the form, and you place those instructions within a text box, like you can see on the screen here. Those aren't the actual instructions, of course. This is just filler text, but imagine that the instructions are right there within the text box. These instructions are helpful for filling out the form, but they simply take up space if you print out the form. In that case, you may be searching for a way to make the text box not be part of the printout. There are two ways that you can accomplish this need. One way is what I call the brute force method. You could format this text box so that it has no border and the background or the fill of the text box is transparent. Then you can select the text in the text box and format it as hidden. In that way, you can print the document, and as long as you have Word configured to not print hidden text, you'll not have the text boxes show up in the printout, yet still show on the screen. The drawback to this method, though, is that even though the text box isn't on the printout, the space taken up by the text box is included in that printout. Thus, if your text box is large, like this one is on the screen, your printout will have a large blank area where the text box normally appears. A better approach is to configure Word so that drawing objects, such as text boxes, don't print. Jump over to the Word Options dialog box, and at the left side, go ahead and click on Display. This is the option that you want to use. Print drawings created in Word. This option is normally selected by default. If you clear the option, however, then the text box won't be included in the printout. Plus, the text of the printout is reformatted so that there is no hole where the text box would normally appear. So all you have to do is clear it, click OK. You can still see the text box on the screen, but when you print, the text box won't be there at all. You need to be aware that text boxes aren't the only thing affected by this setting. If you have other shapes in your document, those won't be printed either. So it's best to check out this option with your document to make sure that it will do what you want. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might consider signing up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.